How to get rich. In this video, I will show you how to get rich. It's no secret that there are many ways to make money, but what if I told you that there was more than one method guaranteed to work? The best part is that anyone can do it. So this video is for you whether you're just starting or have been trying unsuccessfully for years. Stay tuned to this video and I'll reveal all the secrets to getting rich. Remember to subscribe, and if you get value, please hit that like button. The first way to get rich is to invest money in stocks, bonds, and real estate. Investing your money in stocks, bonds, and real estate can be a great way to secure financial returns. Investing in these assets can be a wise choice, with the stock market offering steady gains and the bond market providing reliable income over time. For high-risk investments, stocks offer plenty of potential growth and opportunities. Whether it's direct investment through trading or through a fund manager who chooses individual stocks for you, you have access to many options for getting rich in the stock market. Bonds are lower-risk investments, and although they might not produce significant capital growth, their ability to deliver consistent returns makes them attractive for long-term investors looking for more security. Real estate is also a good option if you're searching for passive income and to get rich, since it can generate cash flow from rent payments as well as the increase in value you will get on the initial capital invested. From residential homes to commercial properties like malls, there's no shortage of good possibilities regarding real estate investments, provided that sufficient research is done before deciding which property would yield maximum returns on investment. This can be a surefire route to getting rich. All three asset classes offer potentially attractive investment opportunities. The key is deciding which one suits your particular needs and understanding the risks of choosing any of these instruments as sources for you to get rich. Remember that research is vital before committing funds. Taking stock advice from professionals could also help you make informed decisions that suit both your short-term and long-term ambitions for getting rich. So investing in these asset classes could help you earn profits and accumulate the wealth you desire. In this fashion, buying into the incorrect security choice when buying stocks could prove financially disastrous. Still, experienced investors know how to manage such situations by analyzing historical market data carefully before committing funds, and this is what you should strive to do. The second way to get rich is to start your own business and become a successful entrepreneur. Becoming a successful entrepreneur is an ambitious yet attainable goal. Owning your own business puts you in the driver's seat for success and allows you to create real opportunities for yourself. Starting your own business requires careful planning and dedication. When getting started, it is essential to have realistic short-term goals and a long-term vision for what you want to achieve. Start by researching the industry that interests you the most and outlining a plan for how you will get started. You'll need to consider potential funding sources and create detailed budgets outlining estimated costs for starting up. I have another video on the channel about how to fund a startup, so check that out too. Additionally, networking and building relationships with other entrepreneurs can be highly beneficial, as they can provide invaluable advice from their experience. With hard work, careful planning, and commitment, anyone can take their ideas, build something great, and become a successful entrepreneur. The next way you can get rich is to get a promotion at work. A promotion comes with a raise in salary and often additional responsibilities and duties, all of which can lead to a bigger paycheck and more opportunities for career growth and wealth creation. To get a promotion, you must demonstrate dedication to your job and put in the hard work required. Ensure you are always on time, meet deadlines, and go above and beyond your job duties. Additionally, stay updated on company news and trends and communicate your ideas and suggestions. Network with coworkers and bosses and be friendly and polite. Building a positive reputation within your company is key to earning a promotion. If you work hard and display the qualities that promote success, you will undoubtedly be rewarded with a promotion at some point in your career, which can mean a huge pay raise, which will put you on the path to becoming rich. The next way you can get rich is to negotiate equity share in a business. When negotiating an equity share, it is essential to be aware of the company's current financial position and prospects. Additionally, you will need to be prepared to commit to the business and be willing to invest time and resources into its success. When negotiating, it is essential to be fair and reasonable. Make sure you know what you expect from the deal and what you will give up. Negotiating an equity share in a business can make a real difference in your ability to get rich and earn more money, because you'll be sharing in the future profits of the business for work you have done in the past. The next way you can get rich is to learn new high-paying skills. By leveling up your skills and learning skills which demand more money, you can put yourself on the path to being rich. There are many different skills that you can learn, and the best way to learn them is by taking classes or reading books on the subject or watching YouTube videos like this one. Think about high-income skills and consider your interests and career goals. High-income skills include things like SEO, AI programming, social media marketing, investing, consulting, and there are many more. Find something which fits you and then go all out to learn the new skill. Then market yourself offering that skill, and you will soon have the dollars rolling in. The next way to get rich is a simpler method, and is to save money and live below your means. When it comes to money, there is no one-size-fits-all approach, but each of us can benefit from the wisdom of living below our means. This concept suggests that instead of spending every penny we bring in, it is prudent to save or invest a portion and live on what's left. Practically speaking, this means making regular contributions to an emergency fund, shaping budgeting practices around long-term financial goals, and cutting unnecessary expenses wherever possible. Of course, budgeting requires self-discipline and an appreciation for both short-term gratifications and long-term planning. Living below your means returns tremendous benefits, such as reduced stress levels and a greater sense of financial security and independence. Ultimately, if adopted as part of an overall lifestyle built around taking responsibility for our financial decisions, the rewards are often too great to overlook. Fundamentally speaking, the savings pursuit ultimately lies in putting the goal ahead of instant gratification needs and varying other personal indulgences. This involves being mindful of our money without denying ourselves the small luxuries life offers. As such, when done responsibly, saving money and living below your means can be incredibly rewarding by giving us control over our finances now and down the line and lead us to financial freedom. Make wise financial decisions and avoid overspending. Making sound financial decisions can seem daunting, especially for those unfamiliar with the subject. However, it doesn't have to be as challenging as it seems. The key is understanding your financial situation and prioritizing your spending accordingly. An excellent first step is to create a budget that outlines your income and expenses. This helps you keep track of your spending and put money towards essential items instead of frivolous purchases. One way to avoid overspending is to research goods that you need or want in advance so that when you're shopping, you know exactly how much something costs before you commit yourself financially. Make use of coupons or promotional offers to further cut down on expenses. Lastly, maintain healthy savings by setting aside a portion of your income for essential goals, such as retirement or college tuition funds. Following these steps can help save money in the near future and set up lifelong habits of intelligent financial decision-making. Next, I want to examine some things you must consider when trying to get rich. There are some things you need to consider on your path to getting rich, and you need to keep them in mind on your path to financial freedom. The first thing you need to consider on your path to getting rich is to be patient and don't try to get rich overnight. Trying to get rich quickly can be tempting, but this is often not an achievable goal. Instead, it pays to have patience where finances are concerned. Thinking about your financial plans, goals, and strategies can pay huge dividends in the long run. For example, you can take advantage of the magic of compounding interest rates over time by investing early and making small contributions regularly. On the other hand, if you use high-risk financial instruments with the hopes of reaping high returns in a short time frame, you may see your investments evaporate overnight with nothing to show for it. The same holds for striving for business success. Rome wasn't built in a day. So rather than seeking rapid gains, try to build something great that will continue to increase in value over time. By exercising patience and taking a pragmatic approach toward your finances, there's no doubt that you can find yourself much better off both personally and financially over the long haul. The next thing you need to consider on your path to getting rich is to stay disciplined with your spending habits and stay the course. When managing your finances, discipline is of the utmost importance. Getting caught up in our wants and desires for the newest trends and gadgets is effortless, but these purchases can quickly drain your wallet. The key to success is to stay disciplined. Define a budget that works for you and stick to it by allocating money towards necessary costs like rent or utilities, ensuring your debts are taken care of, and then putting aside any discretionary income. You'll feel more in control of your financial situation by consciously directing resources towards goals or needs as they arise. Additionally, if you experience unexpected expenses or in a tricky financial situation, don't panic. Take a deep breath and remove emotion from the equation. Look objectively at the amount required and figure out how you can safely get back on track with responsible habits over time. Remember, no matter what difficulty arises along the way, it's essential to stay the course if you want to achieve long-term financial success. It might not be easy at times, but navigating today's economic landscape requires patience, resiliency, and dedication. Never lose sight of that lesson. With just a few focused steps, sound judgment, and consistent mindfulness, positive change awaits those who prioritize their financial health without fail. After all, fortune favors the financially prudent. These tips will help you get on the right track to building wealth and help you to get rich. Watch this video next, and I'll see you in the next one.